Hello. Welcome to Intellect Kids Classroom. If you had not subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button. Transportation is the movement of people and goods from one place to another. It includes various modes such as roadways, railways, airways, and waterways. The advancements in technology has revolutionized the transportation mechanism, leading to the development of electric vehicles, autonomous driving, high-speed rail, and innovative public transit solutions. These changes aim to make transportation more efficient, sustainable, and accessible. In this video, we'll explore the revolutionary vehicles of the future. Number 1. The Hyperloop. Imagine a super-fast train that travels in a special tube. It is called the Hyperloop. It's like a big vacuum tube, where a train runs through it, very, very fast. It can go as fast as an aeroplane, but on the ground. A Hyperloop is a new way that people might travel very soon in the coming years. 2. Autonomous aerial vehicles. Autonomous aerial vehicles are planes that fly by themselves, without a pilot. They're like drones but made to carry people. Instead of a pilot, they use GPS and sensors to fly and gather information while flying. Three. Flying hotels. Flying hotels are like big airplanes where people can stay for a long time. Flying hotels are like cruise ships in the sky or space stations for travelers. They can also use common areas. Instead of rooms, guests have their own spaces called pods. Number 4. Flying taxis. Flying taxis are small aeroplanes that can take people to short distances. They are also called air taxis. They do not make pollution and also help to reduce road traffic. Number 5. Self-driving cars. They have special sensors, cameras, radar, and other tools to learn about vehicles around them. These sensors help the car to stop at traffic lights, avoid obstacles, and also prevent accidents. Tesla electric car provides advanced autopilot system in its vehicles. Number 6. Hoverbikes. Hoverbikes are bikes that can fly. They look like motorcycles but have propellers instead of wheels. Hoverbikes can take off and land vertically like airplanes. 7. Delivery drones. Delivery drones are flying robots that carry light packages to your doorstep. They're controlled by people or smart computers using GPS and sensors. These drones are used in many countries, and soon, they will be used more in the United States. Amazon Prime Air is an example of delivery drone. Number 8. Maglev Trains. Maglev trains are superfast trains that float on a cushion of air using magnets. They don't have wheels like regular trains. They can go up to 300 miles per hour, faster than bullet trains. Even though there are only a few of them now, they might become a popular way to travel because they're quiet, cheap, and good for the environment. Number 9. Smart roads. Smart roads are special roads that use technology to help cities work better. These roads have sensors to perform different jobs, like traffic assessments to reduce traffic jams, switching the streetlights on or off, measuring the weight of trucks, etc.
Like, share, subscribe to our channel. Our channel's name is Interactive Classroom. Bye.